Hey guys, how you doing? And welcome back to Team Prawn Racing. So, you guys won't have seen this yet, but our Donington video is going to go live on Christmas Day. You really do not want to miss this. However, today I'm going to be fitting this ProRam filter. So, a little bit different today. Back at Silverstone, I was lucky enough to meet up with one of the guys from Ramair Filters. Ramair are a local company based in the south of England. They had a look around the car, sort of liked what they saw, and were kind enough to offer me a new filter. So today I'm going to be taking off the Blocks Racing filter I used to have and fitting this enormous ProRam filter. So I've always known of Ramair. I'd never actually realised they were only about half an hour from me. It's made in the UK. They've done the foam filters for absolutely years. I've had plenty, I'm sure loads of people have. And yeah, they've recently launched the ProRam range, which is a dual cone filter with a mesh reinforced inner. It's washable and it looks absolutely fantastic. The quality is first class. All right. Made me self-conscious now, sat here with the camera. It made me self-conscious sat here with the camera. So the Blocks Racing filter we've used for the last 3 years, not actually a bad little filter. So it consists of a 200mm filter with a 150 velocity stack. However, where this differs from the ProRam, this is only a single cone, solid end, and the velocity stack in here is actually plastic. I'll just pop that off now so you can see. Right, so you've got a velocity stack here, which is still a nice design. However, just pop it out, it is plastic, so it deforms. It can kind of move really easily. And what I've actually had, when I've had this fitted in the past, and I've had the clamp done up, when it's all got really hot, this has actually collapsed in on itself. You can kind of see it's sort of off round a bit. Now that plastic is just a little bit too flexy. However, if we open the ProRam, what we have is this. Now this velocity stack is alley, so you get no flex, and that is not going to crush when it's heated up, when it's in place. So we have one alley velocity stack. Sits really nicely in there. Absolutely lovely inlet track. And then we have the pièce de résistance. This massive ProRam cone filter. Look at the size of that. So the ProRam filter is really nice. You've got 150mm inlet. I think the filter is about 250mm overall. You've got the dual cone element. Really nicely made bit of kit. Alley velocity stack. So that is going to be a nice simple fit on there, and we'll see how it sounds. Right, so velocity stack goes in there. Screw that up. See that now being alley, when that's screwed up, this will not crush at all. Really nice. And then on top of that goes the filter. Now, because I'm a little bit OCD, I always make sure the seam lines up at the top. And that's done. Tighten that up, and we're on. that's about it for this one. Massive thanks to Ramair Filters for the ProRam filter. Absolutely awesome addition to the car, and it's really cool to get a bit of support from a local company as well to help us through the race season. So yeah, huge thanks to those guys. I hope you guys will like the video. Please do check out Ramair's huge range of filters. They do filters for just about everything, from kind of small neck stuff up to massive cone filters with velocity stack, induction kits for almost every car you can think of. Make sure you check them out. That's Ramair Filters, Facebook, Instagram, and obviously their website. I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope you guys will like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop us a comment on our Instagram if you've got a Ramair filter as well. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.